everyone, welcome back to Dawn of Beauty. So today I filmed a look to help you guys achieve this glowing bronze skin. It's really natural, really pretty, looks like my skin. It just looks like I've been basking in the sun all day and I haven't. And just really natural. I don't wear false lashes. You're never gonna see me wear them. They irritate my eye, and I don't do lash extensions. Same reason, they irritate my eye. I don't like them. But yeah, I just got like a little bit of mascara on. Sometimes I'll go a little bit heavier on it for fun, but this is it. This is a daily look that I can go to. I trust in. Technique is super easy and quick. I could do my makeup in about 10 minutes tops from start to finish. But all the products I use today are really awesome, really dependable. They're like a ride or die collection of products for me. So I will go over and show y'all the products that I did use so you can see. And then we'll get into the tutorial. Literally filming in my kitchen because I love this shelf aesthetic. So I wanted it as my backdrop today, but this is literally all I used. So I have a L'Oreal blush, this LA Girl lip glaze, my Real Technique sponge, which I need to replace, but they changed the formula and I don't love the new one. A little cameo of the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. This is like, I could live, if someone told me you can only pick one foundation for the rest of your life, what would it be? This is it. Like, she's bae. Wet n Wild loose pigment as my highlight and a little bit on the eyes. What got on my finger? Fix foundation. This is the brow gel that I use. I love this. It's the Brow This Way by Rimmel. It's like $3 through $4. I use MAC Fix Plus Watermelon Mist. Whew, this is so delicious. And I honestly think they put crack in this because, like, this is next level. This takes your makeup to all new heights. Like, if you don't use MAC Fix Plus, you are missing out. It's expensive, but I think it's worth it. I don't buy it all the time, but if I am at the mall and I have a little extra money to drop, I will pick it up. But I wanted the watermelon one, and I mean, I literally got it on Thursday, and I think I've already used, like, where's the line? Like half of it. So yeah, I use my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara, and that's it. Like, products I used were super easy, super convenient. I used one brush for all the face, like, powdery products, and I also used a little bit of this NYX powder. It's like a peachy sheen. I showed in the video, but yeah, it's gorgeous, right? So that is it, y'all. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you have any comments, suggestions, ideas, questions, PM me. My Instagram handle is dwolfmua. Okay, so I'm going to use the Real Technique Face and Body Sponge to apply my makeup. I just go over real quickly. Because this is so large and squishy, it really does apply your face makeup so beautifully and so quickly. And as soon as I have that all blended out, I do apply MAC Fix Plus to just give it a more dewy look and help set it. And then I'm going in with a neutral brown shade on the eyelid and then some Wet n Wild loose pigment. And I am going to mix that on top of my hand with some MAC Fix Plus. And that's just going to help create like a liquid shadow just to make it more metallic and beaming on the eye. So when you kind of turn your face and look around, it just looks like your eyelid is just wet and you've just been in the sun all day. And it just looks gorgeous. So I put that on with really no rhyme or reason, just kind of blending it in all over the lid. There's no specific area I'm setting it, just all over the eyelid, and even into the brown in the crease. And then I'm going to go in with my mascara, the L'Oreal Carbon Black, the Voluminous Mascara. I just go in with a quick coat on each eye, just to make sure that my lashes are popping, but not too heavy. I really don't like a lot of mascara on my lashes. It just hurts my eyes. From here, I'm going to grab my Lorac Tantigo palette. It's bronzing palette, has 2 mattes and 2 shimmer shades. So, and I've hit pan on all, so I pretty much just swirl my brush into it. But I do love this because it's a really natural bronzer, and it does give you that sun-kissed glow. So I do really, really like it. And then I'm going to go in with some Max Fix Plus again. And that way, when I go to put on my highlight will melt into the skin, and it just makes it look just like glowing, glistening, and wet, really pretty. And I do mix the highlights. And from here, we get our pop and look. Hey guys, so I'm going to go over a quick brow run through using the LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil. This is my Ride or Die brow pencil. This, I've repurchased maybe 20 of these. They're like $5. I typically get mine at CVS, and if I have rewards, then I actually don't ever pay for this. So it's perfect. The color I use is espresso, but I think there's one like a brown black that you can also use. So I'm just gonna go over, I have a little brow gel in my brows because I couldn't find this for a second, but I do want to show you, like, real quick. This is so easy. It's got like a really dry real dry formula, so it's really good for making like those hair-like strokes on your brow. So you just create your line and kind of flick up, and it gives you that like dimension or angle that you want. And then I'm just gonna kind of go over. My brows are kind of stiff because I put the brow gel on, not realizing I was gonna find this, but it's okay. Improvise. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill this in just like so. And then the brow gel gave me some good shape, and I also just dermaplaned yesterday, so while I was dermaplaning, I did go ahead and shape them a little bit. And then I'm just gonna it's so hard and crunchy. If you could hear it, you would laugh. Like when you have hairspray and you like hairspray in your hair and it's kind of hard and crunchy. Same vibe here. But yeah, you just draw through and it's super nice. I can actually probably blend out some of this product. But you see, like, I have a really natural brow looking. It's not too heavy. You could see through to my skin. So it just looks really natural and pretty. And like I said, it does have a real dry texture, which I prefer. I do not like the waxy pencils just because I feel like they come off. So I'm just going to flick up. Give some hair-like strokes. It is about to storm. And then just kind of define the tail of my brow. This is gonna look kind of bad on this side. I have like, this eyebrow sucks, but I'll just go through and kind of wipe around it, clean it up, and come through a little bit better here. This brow is janky because I had a pimple in high school and I popped it, and it's been 17, maybe 18 years, and it's still, I do not grow hair right there. And I've thought about getting microblading because I have a friend in Arlington. Hey, shout out Kay Hennings. She is an amazing brow stylist, and she also does really beautiful lash extensions. So if you're ever wanting to get your brows done and you live in Texas, North Texas, go to Kay. You will not be disappointed. But I'm terrified that this little brow scar is gonna hurt. But that's it, guys. So you just run through real quick. It usually takes me like 3 minutes. I'll do it in my car when I'm at work. I always have one of these in my car. And I just run through real quick. So that is it. I hope you guys like the video. Just this glowy, bronzed skin. I went ham. That's okay. But this is the finished look. Lots of highlight, lots of bronze. I really hope y'all like this look today. And if you have any comments of what you want to see, just leave them below. And we will see y'all next time. Have a great weekend, guys.